is an iPhone test with the iPhone audio, and today I'll be talking about my Lego gun. So this is it here. As you can see, it has the proper working slide, trigger does work, and you have the magazine. Stick it in, you'll see the bullet. This is another test with the iPhone using the Technica microphone. And talking about the gun, as you already know, we have the magazine that slides in. And over here you can see the bullet. You have the silencer that will connect on. Put it down and silencer comes on. Still works fine. And let's say you do need to fix it or something on the inside because the pieces came off. The slide, if you move it forward, push it up and then slide it off, slide comes off, which allows you to fix the gun, and if you want to change the bullet, you can.